Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pudding easily full guide. Stir milk and sugar in a saucepan over medium heat, whisk cornstarch with cold milk until smooth, then temper the beaten egg by adding a little hot milk slowly while whisking. Return the mixture to low heat and stir until it thickens. Remove from heat, stir in vanilla, then chill covered for optimal texture before serving with a sprinkle of cinnamon. Start by tasting the warm pudding and adjusting sweetness gently, then choose your flavor additions. For vanilla, stir in 1 teaspoon at the end to preserve aroma. For chocolate, whisk 2 tablespoons cocoa with a touch of sugar before heating. For fruit, fold in 1 2-cup mashed banana or pureed berries after cooling slightly so the fruit stays bright. Chill for at least 2 hours for best set and smoother texture. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so we can keep sharing easy recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: check out the product you saw here, Books Read Anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, with a link in the description for details and deals. I love its convenience for recipe browsing while cooking. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Achieving the right texture is simple if you watch for the coat the spoon stage, then remove promptly to avoid overcooking. Press plastic wrap directly on the surface while cooling to prevent a skin from forming. Rewarm gently if serving warm or chill fully for a firmer set. Top with whipped cream, toasted nuts, or sliced fruit for contrast. These small steps make homemade pudding feel effortless and truly satisfying every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.